Information to help you stop snoring now. Snoring can really affect your quality of sleep, and the quality of sleep for those who share a room with you. There may be medical reasons for your snoring. So, be sure to follow the advice of your doctor, and read the advice here to see if you can find a solution to your problem. If you want to stop snoring, don't drink that glass of warm, or cold, milk at bedtime. Dairy beverages can make your nose generate more mucus, which will block your air passages, which will cause you to snore. Drinking water instead will keep your nose from blocking, and will keep you from snoring. Snoring is common for people who sleep on their backs, however, it's hard to sleep on your side if your habit is to roll on your back. Stitch a tennis ball into the rear of your pajama shirt. When you roll onto your back, the nuisance will push you back to your side, and you'll stop snoring. If your nasal passages remain open, you can prevent yourself from snoring. The cause of your snoring may be due to a stuffed up nasal passageway. Use steam showers, humidifiers, neti pots or vapor rub to clear your nose. You might also want to experiment with nasal strips. They allow air to pass clearly through your nose by lifting the nose and keeping it open. If you lose weight, you may find that you will stop snoring. This is because people who are overweight may have an accumulation of fat in the throat area that causes a narrowing of the air passageways. This, in turn, can lead to snoring. Losing weight can allow the airways to open up normally, so that snoring is minimized or eliminated. Sleep on your side to minimize your chances of snoring. If you sleep on your back, your tongue may fall back into your throat and obstruct the airways. This can result in snoring. Sleeping on your side keeps the tongue from falling back into the throat, so you are less likely to snore. If you eat or drink any dairy products before you go to bed at night, it will make your snoring worse. Dairy can produce extra mucus, and this will cause your airways to be clogged up. This leads to snore and a horrible night's sleep for you and the person you sleep with every night. Smoking tobacco makes snoring worse, so people that snore should quit smoking. Until you can quit, you should limit your smoking as much as possible, especially before bedtime. Smoking causes your throat, mouth, and nasal passages to swell up and become inflamed. If you do not smoke for several hours before bed, your tissues have a chance of returning to normal, which will help reduce your snoring. As you can tell from the tips here, snoring is a very common problem. It plagues so many households each and every night. Try out these suggestions, and hopefully you will find a solution that works for you. As with anything though, keep the advice of your doctor in mind and get checked out to see if it is medically induced. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.